Hi, today I will teach you how to make this cool effect. First, create a new composition. This is the settings I'm using. Feel free to copy. 10 seconds will do the job. Now import your clip to your comp.
Okay, now let's pre-compose this. Name this bass. In order to get this effect, you need to make 3 copies of the bass. Ctrl+D to duplicate. Let's make it black and white. Search an effect called Tint. Apply it all the 4 layers. Select the effect and press Ctrl+C to copy. And paste it by pressing Ctrl+V. Now search an effect called Shift Channels. And add this above the original layer. Let's rename the layer to avoid confusions. Add this effect to all the above layers. And follow me. Now change the blending mode to screen. If you don't see the blend mode, then click here. Press P to bring the position of the layer. Click this stopwatch icon to set a keyframe. And follow me. Go to 5 seconds and adjust the X values according to your preferences. Or copy my settings. And follow. Press P double times to hide the keyframes. Add an effect called Turbulence Displace to the top layer. And follow me. Adjust your settings depending upon your clips. Results may differ.
Now select the 3 layers and pre-compose them. Set the blending mode of the layer to screen. Make an adjustment layer to adjust the blacks and whites. To make a focused effect, click on the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Press F to open feather option and adjust. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please subscribe for more tutorial like this.
You tripping, bruh. You tripping.